Welcome to Beauty in History. Today, we're taking you on a journey through time to explore the incredible story of the Indian subcontinent. This is a tale of moving continents, ancient oceans, and the creation of some of the world's most iconic landscapes. About 600 million years ago, the landmass we now call India was part of a vast supercontinent known as Gondwana. Gondwana included what we now recognize as Africa, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Imagine lush forests, strange species, and a warm tropical climate covering this ancient land. Over millions of years, tectonic forces began to pull Gondwana apart. Around 180 million years ago, the Indian landmass broke away from Antarctica and Africa, setting out on a journey across the Earth. What followed was one of the fastest tectonic migrations ever recorded, with India moving at an astonishing 15 to 20 centimeters per year. For over 100 million years, the Indian plate traveled northward, crossing the vast Tethys Sea, an ancient ocean that lay between India and Asia. Imagine a slow-motion journey across a great ocean as the Indian landmass moved steadily toward its fate. About 50 million years ago, India finally reached Eurasia. The collision of these two massive plates triggered an extraordinary geological event that gave birth to the Himalayas and the Tibetan Plateau. The collision wasn't a quick event. It happened gradually over millions of years, but the force was so immense that it folded and lifted the land. The energy of the collision pushed up rocks and sediment to create the Himalayan mountain range, the tallest in the world. South of the Himalayas, rivers carried sediments from these mountains, depositing them in a vast, fertile area that we now know as the Indo-Gangetic Plain. This plain, with its rich soil, would one day become the cradle of civilizations in India. The formation of the Himalayas didn't just change the landscape, it altered the climate as well. These towering mountains blocked cold winds from the north, shaping the climate of the Indian subcontinent and helping establish the seasonal monsoons that support its agriculture and biodiversity. Interestingly, this tectonic collision is still happening. The Indian plate continues to push into Eurasia at about 5 millimeters per year, causing the Himalayas to rise even higher and contributing to the frequent earthquakes in the region. It's a reminder that Earth's surface is constantly changing, even if we don't always notice it. So, from being part of Gondwana to crossing an ancient ocean and colliding with Asia, the Indian subcontinent's journey is one of nature's most fascinating tales. The result is a landscape of stunning diversity and history, from the towering Himalayas to the fertile plains and beyond. Thank you for joining us on Beauty in History. If you enjoyed learning about the origins of the Indian subcontinent, please like, subscribe, and let us know what other historical journeys you'd like us to explore next.